March 5, 2023, in a residential area of Los Angeles, California, police received an emergency call from a neighbor, reporting screams and signs of a domestic violence incident. Soon after, a patrol team was dispatched to the scene. Upon arrival, officers found a woman in a highly agitated state, screaming and repeatedly attacking a man identified as her husband.
I got the proof. I was just sitting there. Tonight. Oh, right. Talking about it. I'm not even no more. You started talking to me. You could have just gave me my key and I was gonna leave.
I'll pay the rent here.
That's not your shit.
You don't pay shit.
I said, don't bitch me.
Don't go at him. Don't go at him.
No, bitch. Beat him up. Bro. Get him out of my crib.
As the situation escalated, the woman not only refused to provide information, but also engaged in disruptive behavior, screaming, and directly resisting the officers. This behavior was considered an obstruction of the police investigation.
Ma'am, take a seat on the fire hydrant, okay? Ma'am.
Bro, so since you give me shit, I gotta bow down to you?
Ma'am.
I gotta bow down to you? God, come on, bro.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
No, you're not, bro. Stop touching me.
Then chill out.
Girl, would you
want to go in handcuffs?
Beating your ass too. Stop talking to me.
You can try that, but that wouldn't
I ain't
happen.
gonna touch.
Chill out.
Stop touching me.
You want to go in handcuffs?
Girl, would you?
Chill out.
No. Stop touching me. I'm already dead, bro.
In this case, to protect public safety, police decided to arrest the woman.
Stop touching me.
Instead of complying with the arrest, the woman fiercely resisted, including punching one of the officers in the face. Assaulting a police officer while they are performing their duties is a serious crime. This could lead to charges of aggravated assault, which carries a potential prison sentence of up to 5 years or more, depending on the severity of the incident and the offender's criminal history.
Let me check these handcuffs. Yep, I'm gonna check them. I gave you about 10 warnings.
Despite multiple warnings and attempts to de-escalate the situation, the woman continued to resist, forcing the officers to use restraint measures to subdue and arrest her.
Chill out, let me fix these cuffs. You're under arrest for agbat.
I'm not under arrest for nothing.
Yeah, you are. Just punch me in the face.
No, I didn't punch you. You tried to grab me and I moved you. Stop touching me. Give no, bro. What's wrong with y'all? Bro, let me go. Bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Let me go, bro. I don't give no.
Her resistance to the arrest is also a crime under the law, which could result in additional charges of resisting arrest, crime that carries a maximum sentence of up to 1 year in jail.
Back up. Back up.
I don't give a fuck.
She showed no signs of stopping her erratic behavior.
I don't give a about nobody. What's wrong with y'all? Leave me the alone.
You're under arrest. You're going to the county
I
jail.
don't give no.
After being subdued and arrested, the woman was taken to the police station for further investigation.
You're not calling anybody right now.
Right, because you a let me go.
Miss Nichols, are you doing all right? Are you calm down a little bit? Do you want to talk about whatever happened inside the apartment?
I don't want to talk about it. Give me my phone. That's all I want, so I can make a call.
Okay.
Nah, you need a quick call.
I don't want to talk to nobody. Everybody leave me alone. For real.
She is currently facing charges of domestic violence, aggravated assault on a police officer, and resisting arrest.
We call code red. We have a fight. Yeah. Somebody else. Y'all don't need to. Better be no female.
These charges could lead to severe penalties, including imprisonment and other legal consequences.
Yeah, I stabbed him. Oh, yeah, she's going through. I know what I'm going through already. I've been in and out of institutional hospitals. I don't need nobody to tell me.
Go ahead and go through Miss Nichols.
Anybody. Anybody touch me. I'm not even moving. I'm not here.
Well, unfortunately, the move doesn't matter to me. We got a job to do. We got
I don't care, man. Stop talking to me, bro. I'm about to go. I'm talking to you.
Yep, I was the only one out there.
Yeah, you trying to grab me. What happened? Move back. Don't touch me.
You got her.
Female in here touch me. Y'all gonna stay on myself. Y'all gonna put me somewhere by myself. Anybody touch me, I promise y'all. Y'all gonna be calling cold red. Not in the movie. play with nobody. But that's what I gotta say to people.
According to local news sources, trial for this case is expected to take place later this year, where the court will review the evidence and deliver a final verdict. The situation became more complex when police were confronted with another domestic violence case, this time involving a tense situation with escalating resistance. On July 15, 2022, police received an emergency 911 call from a neighbor reporting a domestic violence incident. According to the caller, a woman was screaming and attacking a man on the street. When the police arrived at the scene, they found a man with several scratches on his neck, matching the description of the victim provided in the 911 call.
With a girl? Were you walking with a girl down Page Street or nothing like that? Okay, we got a call. It's a guy possibly getting smacked around by a girl in a pink shirt, so we're just checking there. You're good? Someone down there. You saw somebody down there? What's all the scratches on your neck, man? Right here? Yeah.
However, the man refused to provide his personal information, including his name and identification, making the investigation more challenging for the officers.
I know, but I have a lawful reason to stop you, okay? Because we got dispatched, you matched the description of the guy that was getting beat up by a girl, okay? You have injuries on your neck, alright?
It don't matter.
It does matter.
Okay.
You don't have an ID on you, man?
No, I don't.
You don't? What's your name?
I don't feel like I don't need to tell you that.
Okay, you feel like that, but
I haven't broken no laws.
I understand. Listen to me.
I haven't committed a crime. I don't need to provide you with identification.
Okay, but listen to me. I'm telling you, okay? Just listen. I have a lawful reason to stop out and talk to you, okay? So you have a lawful reason to identify yourself to me. If you don't want to identify yourself to me, I'll take you to jail for concealing your identity. It's that simple. It's literally that simple.
Although the man insisted that he had not broken any laws, the police still had the authority to continue their investigation due to the signs of violence on his body.
Go straight to jail. You have scratches on your neck, okay, which are signs of some kind of battery, all right, which are probably from your girlfriend, right?
I don't want to press charges. You're fine, right?
It's probably from your girlfriend, right? Okay, so if it's from your girlfriend, that means it's a domestic violence, okay? So which means I have to investigate it, and I'm authorized to take some kind of action on it, okay? If you don't want to do anything about it, we can let the courts and all that know. Okay? I understand that. I'm obligated by state law. I'm obligated by state law to do something about this. Okay? That's what I'm telling you. All right? I've laid it all out on the line for you, man. Okay? I get that. I get that. Okay? But I don't know that for a fact yet.
After some reluctance, the man eventually admitted that the injuries on his neck were caused by his girlfriend. The police explained that under the state's domestic violence laws, they are obligated to thoroughly investigate such allegations, even if the victim does not wish to press charges or cooperate.
Okay, alright, let's go do that then.
Meanwhile, the woman, who was suspected of causing the injuries, admitted to inflicting the wounds on her boyfriend's neck, claimed that the incident was merely a verbal argument and that she had injured herself.
Okay, it's more than a verbal argument because we had people calling in saying that a female was hanging on the shirt of a male. And there was screaming, so.
I mean, you can check me and you can go to the shop.
He's bleeding, you're bleeding.
I mean, you could talk to all of us, though, but no, he didn't do anything. That to me, if anything, just myself. No,
However, during her interaction with the police, she became agitated, assaulted the officers, and damaged property. These actions were serious violations of the law, including assaulting a police officer, damaging public property, and resisting law enforcement. Despite the woman's attempts to argue that she had certain rights and that the law did not apply to her, the police enforced federal regulations and proceeded to arrest her.
I'm not married. No one wants a
Under domestic violence laws, any violent act between family members or intimate partners is considered a crime and will be prosecuted, even if the victim does not wish to file charges. As a result, the woman was charged with property damage, assaulting a police officer, obstructing law enforcement, and domestic violence. She was taken to the station for further investigation and legal processing. Meanwhile, after verifying his information, the man was cleared from the scene by police and faced no charges.
The ankle one?
Thank you for watching American Cop Watch. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss the latest videos on American law enforcement and legal matters. Leave your comments below and share the video if you found it useful. See you in the next video.